Guys, it is hot. We are here on Pembroke Pines, but nothing is as hot as the deal that we have for this property right here at 2321 Plum Court, Florida in Pembroke Pines. This property can be purchased with FHA 3.5% down with just $14,525 as down payment. You can get yourself this property. 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a little bit under 1,000 square feet under AC. And the best part is your HOA is super flexible and extremely low. You're only paying $103 a month. And nobody bothers you here. You have 2 parking spots on the property, right in front of your home, your own private backyard, and the home is fully renovated. Listed for $415,000. It could be yours with the FHA loan program, just 3.5% down. You can even purchase this with conventional 3 to 5% down payment. And if you are a veteran of the U.S. Army, you can also purchase this with VA 0% down. This is a steal. It is not going to last forever. There's only a few properties that come up for sale in this community of Cedarwoods. Don't miss out. It's a great first-time property or investment property as well. Let's go check out the inside. You really don't want to miss out on this deal. Let's go inside because it's also very hot. Follow me. Just imagine it's Sunday morning, you're getting ready to watch football, you're making breakfast, you got some friends over, you're cooking in your kitchen, which by the way, it is fully renovated. You have quartz countertops, real wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and what I like the most about this property is the openness all the way to your dining, living room, and also to your backyard. You get natural light from the back, also natural light coming in from the living room. Super spacious, very comfortable. You really don't have to do anything here. You have wood floors in the living room, tile floors in the bathrooms and kitchen. All you gotta do is bring your toothbrush and enjoy.